this video, we have a $50 million yacht, a $300 million yacht, and the $1 billion super yacht. But before all that, here's the $1 million yacht, which is a little smaller than I thought it would be. Hop on, boys. All right, let's see the inside.
10 million.
See ya.
It's gonna be
Bye. Great. Oh my God, he's fast.
And now we are on the $10 million yacht. Let's check this out.
You're so American.
They're gonna have a lot of fun. This is wild. What is the difference between this and a mansion?
This is a mansion. When does it stop?
This is the best yacht I've been on so far.
It's not feasible.
Oh, it's real. If you thought this yacht was crazy, look at this video of the $50 million yacht. You know what? Honestly, let's just go to it right now. Zoom in. And now we are on the $50 million yacht. This yacht is over 200 feet long,